Hey, happy 2026, my beautiful friends. Today, I have our brand new February journal planning kit to share with you. If you saw my last video, you know that I launched a dream product, which is a collection, monthly collection. Every month, we will send you a beautiful design, seasonal focused planning kit that includes everything you need to make the journal or planner of your dream. So today I have the February release to show you, and we are shipping them very soon. And good news, almost forgot about it. We are open for international subscribers. So now on our website, if you live outside the US, no matter where of the world you are living, you can enjoy our kit now. So that's such like a big project that we were working on for the last few weeks to make the logistic happen, that we have to open another warehouse set outside the US to help us to ship to you, which is so excited about the whole like international expansion, like for more people who live outside the US to enjoy our beautiful journals, stickers. So if you are outside US, I hope you will be able to shop our stickers or stuff with much cheaper shipping rate, and also we are offer free shipping if you order over $150. So exciting. So including this beautiful kit, if you order 3 months or 6 months, it's also free shipping. Woohoo! Too amazing, too good to be true. Now, let me flip my screen so I can show you what this beautiful February kit looks like. If you already have January kit, I hope you enjoy, and this will come to your door in the next week or so. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you join us now so you don't miss this beautiful kit that we're going to ship very soon. So let's take a look. Okay, here it is, our February Self-Love Club. Sorry about the lighting, it's kind of gloomy, so I have my lights on. Like I mentioned, this is a monthly kit subscription. Every month you get a brand new theme. January we have our New Year, New Plan. And then February it's about self-love. Every kit comes with a beautiful pen. Not just beautiful, it's also really good to use it. I've been using and I've been loving the ride. It's so smooth, everything. So I really enjoy the pen. It also comes with a self-love PET tape and this planning kit, which is the star of the show. Let me open it. In the back, kind of have a glance of what this kit includes. And I do have to mention, like, we are improving the packaging, so the packaging going to be different, perhaps starting like July, because it's quite big for the warehouse to ship, and people also don't like the plastic parts of the packaging, so we are improving. That's the good thing about Shop Rongrong, is that we always listen, so we're always improving. I'm going to cut this. I don't want to rip the packaging, so I'm going to find a scissor and cut it. Okay, friend, I opened it. Let's take a look. First, we feature this beautiful, like, dark red pen. It's a black ink, 0.5 millimeter, and it has some heaviness in it, so it feels really good, really luxury. So we feature this pen. Really love the color. We also have the PET 3.0. If you know, you know. Our sticker. We have the best PET tapes. I love it. I'll show you later. And then we have the star, which is the Self-Love Club. You can subscribe. We are shipping soon. So if you subscribe now, you still can get the January New Year, New Plan kit, and also you will be able to get the February one as well. So let's take a look. First, coming up are the functional paper stickers. We got some people ask the size. This is the bullet journal size, which is kind of like same as a bullet journal. You can use it for the classic size planner, disc bound classic size, or you can use it for if you do bullet journal. We have some functional boxes. We have those full illustration, full box of illustration. She is drinking her coffee or tea, enjoy the morning. This is two kind of like best friends go on a date, coffee date or something. Make yourself a priority. Love this beautiful floral. And this girl, she looks so stylish, so cute. The polka dot in this beautiful pattern. Second page, you got some functional headers, some bullet dots, a girl doing her meditation or pray. I treat my body with love and respect. So beautiful, like in front of the mountain. This is called Self-Love Club, so it's all about self-care, which we all need it. Like life is so busy. We all have so many different responsibilities, and take some time for self-love is the best thing you can do for yourself, so you can keep going, right? This is like something about work, personal stuff, and appointments. This is a whole page for like track your Monday through Sunday, the date of the month, and then those are some like letters, numbers. You can also make some important words or phrases. This is a washi strip. So up to here, this 5-page of functional paper sticker. Over here are the clear stickers where girl enjoy some music time, writing journal, write journal while drinking coffee, make yourself a priority. Lots of self-love stuff make you happy, like light up a candle, read a book, have some cozy time, even eat chocolate or hot cocoa. Do not disturb. Second page is the I can buy myself flowers. Exactly. So buy flower for yourself. It's a type of self-love. I love the color, which is purple and pink. Me time. It's very feminine and kind of like calm you down with like those beautiful purple and pink colors. I feel my own cup. Lots of small elements to help you to fill up the journal space. And it reminds you, like, have a glass of wine or champagne, have a bubble bath, right? Have a bubble bath, do some meditation for yourself, sleep early, make your bed, that type of thing. So this is a 4-page of clear stickers. And at this page, there's 2-page of washi paper. A lot of people didn't realize these are like real washi. It's not paper or clear, it's actually like the same material as your washi roll. So it has that like transparent, half transparent material, and featuring all these beautiful patterns. They go together. Like one of the beautiful thing about this kit is you have everything you need to make a beautiful spread that go together. You know, you don't need to go to flip 10 different scrapbooking pads to find the matching pattern. Everything you need is in here. So there are 4 vellum paper also feature this like half transparent type of effect for your journal. Perfect for add layer, do some tipping, for background. So many usage for those type of paper. Another one is the purple polka dots. This one is beautiful. I don't know what flower name is this. It's not rose, but it's some beautiful flower pattern. And another one is this like very decorative pattern. Then we have the 4 scrapbooking, so it's a solid color, great for background, making a pockets, making some sort of craft project that you can use or put as a background. Also, it's even great for pen highlighter too. This one's beautiful floral pattern. I love this pattern as well. It's even better like if you can mix and match them, like do a mix and a match, use different pattern in your spread. It's even more like it gives you more creativity, inspiration. So that's the main kit that features many different material and pattern and sticker, function, decorative, all the things that you need for the month of February, that you can do some self-love. Honestly, anytime, this is a kit you can go back anytime when you want to do self-love, right? You have a self-love journal or some personal journal. This is a great to come back to. And then the last but not least is the beautiful roll. It's self-love club as well. And then this roll features 5 meter total. Most of our PT are 5 meter total. And this is a PT 3.0, which is 1.6 meter long. So it features like 3-ish repeats in one row. This way you get a lot of different stickers because it's super long, right? And then it has this velvet matte finish, and then give you abundant of different stickers. See, I treat myself with love and respect, girl pray, yoga mat, headphone, some bath towel, spa time, self-love club, grow together, have some drink, even go on a date with your friend, me time, type some journal, write some journal, right? Have some celebration, treat yourself, have some bubble bath, fill my own cup. So you see how many different type of stickers in here. So this is, I think it's from here to all the way to here, where you have so many options that you can use for your journal and sticker. And this roll is very thick. It's pretty thick, 5 meter long, so you can use for a long time, even beyond the February. Like the kit, you can come back anytime you want to do some self-love time, or even if you love this color, like the purple and pink, you can go back to here to find the sticker that you want to use. So that's our kit. This is our February kit, and the PT tape, and a beautiful pen that writes really smooth. I have already tested for the whole January. I've been using the whole time, so I can promise this is really smooth. Hope you like what I show you in this February kit. If you are a subscriber, thank you. And this beautiful, lovely kit will arrive to your door soon. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe so we can ship to you this beautiful February kit. Do some self-love, shall we? Thank you so much, everyone. I will see you soon.